Introducing Kenfield Limited, a leading door manufacturer providing innovative and sustainable solutions to a wide range of industries. Presenting an installation instruction video for the K150 door. A hygienic, high-grade polyethylene swing door with a frameless integrated vision panel. Step 1. Please check that the opening for the door corresponds to the door's dimensions and the edges of the opening are level. Step 2. Hold the door against the side wall of the door opening. Please make sure the door is perpendicular and horizontal to the opening. Step 3. Please allow 10 mm space between the top edge of the finished flooring. Step 4. Using the hinge plates as a stencil, mark the wall and drill accordingly. Step 5. Mount the door to the frame using appropriate fixings. Remove the protective foil from the acrylic glass. Visit the Kenfield website for further Kenfield instructional videos at kenfield.com.